we're asked to find what percent of the female voters voted for Jose. So what we're trying to find would be number of females that voted for Jose all over the total votes for Jose. A fraction. And if you did that, you could find the percent, total votes for Jose. Well, if you look at clue 1, it says 80% of female voters, 80% of females voted for Edith. Well, that means that 20% of the females voted for Jose. Well, that's exactly what we're trying to find. So that works. Now look at clue 2. Clue 2 says 60% of the male voters voted for Jose. So this is giving me information about the male voters, but nothing about females. So remember, when you get done with clue 1, it either works or it doesn't work, and then you forget about it. When you work on clue 2, you're not taking into account clue 1 at all. So only one works, so your answer is A.